session we have to know about the fourth concept is to be presented in your linking of activities. So, what is that? In the previous we are seeing that returning the results from the intents. That means your activities, that means we have to pass the information from one activity to another activity. The intent main concept is we have to navigate from one activity to another activity, but how we have to navigate with the information, how it is to be possible. So, that one is to be possible as we are already discussed by using a start activity for result method. So, in this session we want to discuss about the next concept is passing the data using an intent object. Passing the data using an intent object is to be the main thing. So, here we are discussing a different things. So, passing the data using a intent object. So, how we have to pass the information. So, the passing of information is to be send the details from one activity to another activity. So, for example, we have to send the information, we have to consider one example as, so if you are filling a login form, if you are completed a login form. So, what is a login form requires only the username and password. So, after completing of login form, that means after filling of all the details and pressing a login button. So, whatever the window you are getting, so it will display a welcome your name. What is the username you are entered, that username will be appeared. So, how it is to be passed, how the information is to be passed is nothing but by using these intents. So, for example, you are considering this one username is Siri, So, login form is to be completed, you are login, just pressing a login. So, the next activity it will be appeared as like this. So, what is that next activity will be appeared as? So, welcome Siri, the heading or the first statement in that activity, in that second activity is nothing but welcome message along with the username what you are specified in that first activity, what you are specified in the first activity. How it is to be possible, how we have to pass the information from one activity to another activity. So, that is the concept here we are discussed, but at that situation you are having one of these this indicate that from this field you have to type the information. So, first of all we have to set the information, by using a different methods are to be possible. From those different methods we are selecting a put extra is a one of method, put extra method. So, in this method we have to set the information as a name value pairs. This is a main thing, we have to send the information, or we have to set the information by using the intent object with a name value pair. So, that means I want to enter something, so that is to be setted by the intent. So, the intent object is to be setted, that means for the intent object I want to set the information by calling a put extra. What is we are discussing? Name value pair. So, that means the name for this information to be presented in this text box is string 1. So, what is the value to be presented in this one? This is a string, this is a value to be presented in this one. What is the name is str1. So, I want to set the information for the intent by using a put extra method. So, whenever if you are using a put extra method, it is having a name value pairs. So, in the same way I want to set the another information as age. Age is the name of that information. So, what is the age? This is the value is nothing but 25. So, in this way for the intent object I want to pass the information. This is one of the way. So, the first way is put extra. Put extra is one of the method. The second method how we have to set the intent data is nothing but we have to use put extras. When we are seeing put extra, it is a name value pair. When you are using this put extra, it is the value here we have to pass is nothing but a bundle object. So, first of all we have to create a one of the bundle. So, that bundle we have to create a one of the object for that bundle. So, the object for the bundle is extras. So, for this object bundle I want to set the information put string. So, in this previous we are seeing what is a string, string 1, this is a string. So, this is the information I want to put string, I want to set for the extras. That means first of all we have to set the bundle object. For those bundle object I want to set the information and information as integer. So, that we have to call a put int. For the bundle object I want to set a put int method with a age and 35, age and 35. So, after that setting of all the information to the bundle object. So, that bundle object will be passed here. I dot, that means intent dot put extras of what is this bundle object. So, in the previous that is a, this is the second way we have to set the data for the intent object. So, the first way is we have to use this put extra method. So, whenever you are using this put extra method, it is having a two things. The first one is name and the second one is value pair. So, the name is string 1 and the value we have to set is this is a string 1 and the next one is put extra. So, this is also a value, a name is age 1 and value is 25. So, in this way this is the first way we have to set the data for the intent object. The second way is like this. So, the second way what is that? We have to set the intent object data by using a put extras method. Put extras method. In that extras method what we have to pass is, we are not passing any information as name, value, pairs or nothing. We have to pass the information as nothing but the bundle object. First of all we have to create one of the bundle object. So, that bundle object we have to set the data by using a put string and put integer. Put string means we have to set the information in the form of a string and this one is for integer information. So, after setting of all the information to the bundle object, that bundle object is to be passed to the put extras method. This is one of the way. This is a second way. And what about the third way? And this is nothing but up to now we are setting the information. How we have to get the information? How we have to get the information is nothing but, so to get the information we have to use get string extra method. So, here we are observing that toast dot make text. The use of this method is nothing but to display a message in the format, to display the message. So, what is the message we have to pass? This, that means this message will be displayed within this activity and get intent dot get string extra, get intent dot get string extra. So, the get int method is used to get the details from the already available in the intent. So, when you are observing I dot put extra of st1, this is my string. When you are seeing this one, that means we are setting the intent details by using a put extras method. So, to get that one we have to use get string extras. So, if it is in a string, but if it is in a integer, how we have to set? How we have to get the data? So, that is why we have to call integer dot toString of get intent of get int extra. That means it will get the, whenever you are seeing get int extra. So, the integer values are to be retrieved by using a get int extra method. So, this will indicate that to represent the message to display the message with a short time. So, this is only for, before that we have to set the information, how we have to get the data. So, if it is a string, so get string extras. If it is a integer, so get string get int extra. at the time of using put extra method. But if you are using a extras, that means when you are using a bundle object, how we have to get the details. So that means we are getting, first of all we have to create a for one object for the bundle. So at that bundle will stores the get extras, get intent of get extras. So that means whatever the information has to be stored. And next thing is we have to call a method as get string to get the string values. So bundle dot get string. So whatever the string is information is to be presented, that one is to be stored, that one is to be displayed. So next one is if it is in a integer, if it is in a integer, while we are using all the examples, so we are using only two examples. The first one is a string message, this is a string, and the second thing is age. So how we have to get that age is nothing but first thing is integer dot to string of method bundle dot, here you have to observe bundle dot get intent, to get the integer value you have to use get intent method. So I want to get which information, age 2, the name of the information is to be passed. So what is the value to be presented in the age 2, that value is to be retrieved, that value is to be retrieved and displayed with a short amount of time. So these are the two different methods. The first one is put extra and the second one is put extras. From those we have to get the details. How we have to get the details? So here is nothing but we have to use get string, and next one is get int string, int extra. Get string extra and get int extra. Why? Because it is a string, it is a integer value. And the second thing is put extras. How we have to get the data? How we have to retrieve the data? So first of all we have to create a bundle object. So from that bundle object dot get string for the string, and next one is bundle object dot get int for the integer values. These are the two ways we have to retrieve the information. The third way is also to be presented. What is the third way? We have to set the intent object, we have to set first of all, we have to set the data, that means we have to send the information by using a set data is a method. We have to set the information by calling a set data method. So what is the data we have to specify? So that is to be specified within the method as URI.parse, within the method as URI.parse. So what is this URI.parse is nothing but, so it will automatically take the corresponding thing or the corresponding information from the URL. So from the browser onward, so from the browser it will take the details corresponding to this related information. So for example you are giving the same thing as I dot set data, that means we have to set the information. So within that we have to specify URI.parse. URI.parse is nothing but the information contents are to be taken from the URL. So in this URI.parse you are giving a tel plus 999. So what is that meaning? So this URI parse will take the information from the web browser, from the URL, that means from the browser it will take. So what is this one? Tel plus plus 99, that means to this number it will be directly called. So that means 9999. So this phone number will be setted for this I.set data. So how we have to get the data from that set data which is to be presented in a URL. So see this one. So you have to use the method as get data. We are already setting the data. How we have to get? We have to use a method as get data dot to string. So the information is to be converted into a string format. So in this way we have to set the data and the get the data is to be possible. So this example is mainly to be seen in the concept of calling of built-in applications in the last concept of this unit for this example. So in this session we are only learning about the different things as nothing but how we have to pass the data between the intent object. How we have to pass the data for the intent object. So, what are the different methods we have to pass the data is nothing but the first one is all the things we have to mention the intent object. Why? Because the concept is name indicate that we have to pass the information by using a intent object. The intent object here I am considering as I. So, how we have to pass the information is nothing but three different methods. Put extra is one of the method, but this put extra method is will takes a name value pairs, and next one is put extra method, but this put extra method is also for passing of information, but this put extra method will takes a bundle object. Bundle object is to be, so whatever the information, that information is to be set to this bundle. So, after that the bundle object is to be placed here, and the next one is set data, to set the information. So, here we are giving a URI.parse is a method. So, in this we have to pass the data, we have to set the data. So, what is this URI.parse is nothing but whatever the information contents is to be there, that information contents is to be takes from the browser. So, that means it will be takes the details from the URL, it will be takes the details from the URL. So, that these are the three different ways how we have to pass the data with a intent object. So, the assignment questions for this topic is nothing but write a short note on how to send the information from by using a intent object. How we have to send the information? We have to send the information in three different ways. So, what are those? Put extra, put extras and set data. These are the three different methods we have to pass the information, and create one application to passing of information using a intent object. In the previous we are developing one of the application as how we have to return the results from one intent to one activity to another activity. In the same way, create one application by using these methods, that means intent object. We have to pass the information by using a intent object. Thank you all.